Hi, in this video let us see the swing trading stock selection for the coming week and the week ahead analysis for the Nifty. And the most awaited dream for everyone is now the Nifty is in 17,890 level. Okay, so from the coming week, the everybody is hoping the Nifty to touch again 18,000, because the last time in September it has touched 18,000, it was not able to sustain there. And for the coming week, the main point is after touching 18,000 Nifty, and whether the Nifty can able to withstand the level of 18,000, and from there the dream rally will be begin or not. So let us start the week ahead analysis and then stock selection for doing the swing trading. Let us start the week ahead analysis with the Nifty. So the Nifty is in kind of a expanding channel phase. This is kind of a channel. You can see on the top there is a resistance line and there is a support line for the bottom. So many times the 18,000 level has been tested during October 2021, January 2022, in March 2022, again during September 2022, and the expectation now is for this week is again the Nifty to touch 18,000, and more than that whether it will sustain that 18,000 levels, and from there it will start the dream rally or not. This is the expectation for most of them for this week. So this is what the Nifty is telling to us. Let us hope the dream rally should begin soon for this week. So this is about the Nifty. So next, the stock recommendation or the for the going long for this week is, let us see, start with Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank. So for this week the swing trading stock recommendation is Kotak Bank. I'm seeing there is a good risk to reward ratio in this. Why? Because the price has taken the pull back towards the moving average band, that is the value area here. So the risk to reward ratio is minimum for this trade. At least we can take 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So there is a good opportunity, because for a long time I'm seeing the stock is consolidating in this area and in this area. So the stock has consolidated for a quite long time. Now I think in the coming week the Kotak Bank has to move further the journey towards the uptrend. So the next one is Z network. Let us see the Z stock, Z Entertainment. So the next swing trading stock recommendation is Z Entertainment. So in the daily time frame you see the price is making a kind of channel pattern. So the price is inside this channel pattern. It has taken the support, and also the price has taken the taken a support near the moving average band, so which is the value area for taking the entry for the best risk to reward ratio. So the minimum, the risk is less and the reward expected is minimum 1:2. So we will be taking entries here when the price tends to come out like this and takes the U-turn. So this will be the entry point. So the expectation is in the coming weeks the Z Entertainment stock to move further up and test at least this channel pattern here. So that is what the expectation for the Z Entertainment. And the next stock recommendation for going long is GOER'S. Let us see GOER'S. So in a daily time frame the GOER'S is looking like this. So this is the resistance line here, and now the price is now taking a support on the moving average band, and if it is going to take the U-turn like this, so this can be the potential area for the entry. And first level the price may test this resistance line. If it gives the directly the breakout, or it may take a pullback in this resistance line, and then further it can continue its rally. So this is the expectation for GRASIM. So this is the three stocks for coming week. I'm expecting the rally on the upper side, the rally in the uptrend. Zee Entertainment, Kotak Bank and GRASIM. And for swing trading in the downtrend, for short selling, actually for the coming week, since the Nifty is expected to move up, I'm not so much eager to take the short selling trade. But if something happens in between, some corrections or some negative news, let us get prepared for that. So for swing trading for the short selling side, for the coming week, the first stock is, let us see, iBull, India Bulls Housing Finance. See, the quite a long time the price is making lower high and lower high, and also the prices in the downtrend for long time. The prices in the downtrend from long time, and again the price has just taken a retracement move, I guess, towards the moving average area, and then again I'm expecting the stock to move further and continue its journey towards the downtrend only. So this is what the expectation is. If the stock makes the U-turn and comes out of this moving average lower band area, this can be the potential entry point for the good risk to reward ratio for short selling this stock. The next stock for the coming week for the short selling side is Tata Consumer. So as you see, already the price has taken a retracement move or a pullback move, and then it is not able to sustain in this level, and also it is getting rejected from the moving average back area. So I'm expecting the price to further move down in its downtrend. So this is what the expectation for the Tata Consumer. And the next stock for the swing trading in the short sell side is, next is Tata Steel. Let's see Tata Steel. See, already the price is already in the downtrend for the quite long time, making lower high and lower high, and the price is also rejected already from this moving average band, and the expectation is the price has to go and make its journey towards the downtrend. That is what the expectation for the coming week. And the next stock for the swing trading for the short sell side is HDFC Life. Let us see HDFC Life insurance stock. So again the same case like Tata Steel, the price has just taken the pullback towards the moving average band and ready to continue its journey towards the downtrend. It got rejected in this area, so you can put the stop loss just above the moving average band, and then you can take the trade for short selling. And the next stock for doing the swing trading for the coming week is Hindalco for short selling. Let us see Hindalco how it is. See, somewhat the Hindalco looks sideways or range bound for quite a long time here, and I'm seeing that the price is rejected in the moving average band area 2 times, and now I'm expecting the down move from here. This is what the expectation for Hindalco. The next stock for short selling swing trading for the coming week is GAIL. Let us see GAIL stock. Okay, it is somewhat showing some strength, and this is the trend line, and still the trend line is not rejected. In the coming week, if this trend line is rejected and again it is going to come like this, we can take a entry when it comes out of this moving average band. So there is a confluence factor here, both the trend line and the rejection from the trend line and rejection from the moving average band. So if that happens, we can take a swing trading short selling entry. So the next stock for doing the swing trading for short selling side is SAIL. So quite a long time the SAIL is in range bound like this, and if this box is broken and if the price comes out of this moving average band area like this and it retest, and again if it starts its journey towards like this, we can take a entry point here. So this will be the good risk to reward ratio for the sale stock. And also quite a long time the stock is in downtrend, making lower high and lower high like this. So the expectation for sale is it may crack down further in the coming week. Give a like for this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for getting the regular updates like this. If you have any specific doubts regarding the swing trading stock selection and swing trading strategies, type your comments in the comment box. I'll be replying quickly for your questions. So, and also I have given my WhatsApp number. You can contact me in my WhatsApp number for your doubts regarding the swing trading strategies and swing trading stock selections.